Are you struggling to get in touch with GetResponse support? In today's video, we're diving into the ways you can contact their support team quickly and efficiently. But stick around until the end, because I'm also going to share a great alternative that may better serve your needs, with an exclusive deal you don't want to miss. Let's start with the first option. GetResponse offers 24/7 support via email. If you're facing any issues or have a question, just head to their support page, fill out the contact form, and describe your issue. You'll get a response fairly quickly, but it's worth noting that sometimes response times can vary depending on the complexity of your request. Next thing, GetResponse also has a live chat feature, which is available to all users. This is definitely one of the faster ways to reach out to their team. Simply log into your account, click on the support icon, and initiate the chat. The team is generally quick to reply, but keep in mind that if you're dealing with a busy time or a complex issue, you might be waiting a little while. The third thing, if you're on a paid plan with GetResponse, you get access to priority support. This means your queries will be prioritized over free account users, so if you're looking for faster, more dedicated help, it's something to consider. Now, let's talk about GetResponse's phone support. This is where things get a bit tricky. While they do offer phone support, it's not available for all users. You'll need to be on a higher tier plan to access this feature. If you do have access, phone support can be incredibly helpful for quick resolutions, but if you're not on the right plan, you may need to rely on email or chat. The fifth thing, they also have a robust help center filled with articles, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. This is a great resource if you want to find solutions on your own. It's not always the quickest way, but it can be useful if you prefer self-service. But here's the thing, while GetResponse does offer these support options, they may not always provide the level of customer service that some users expect. There have been some complaints about slow response times, especially with their email support. If you're looking for an even faster and more reliable support system, there are alternatives that might better suit your needs. And that brings me to the last thing. If you're still looking for a great email marketing platform, I recommend checking out Insert Competitor Name. They offer a similar suite of features, but with a much more responsive support team, plus a longer free trial that gives you more time to explore the software. So I've mentioned GetResponse and some of its support options, but what if there was something better? I've got a special link in the description that gives you access to an extended free trial for Insert Competitor Name, a top contender with amazing customer support and more tools designed to help you achieve your goals faster. Through my link, you'll get the best free trial available, along with some exclusive perks just for you, our viewers. Be sure to check it out in the description below. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.